Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use check-in on iPhone 15. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen.
So let's start demonstration. Simply click here Messenger application. Here several contact informations are available. I just simply click one of the contact and I want send here the check-in related information. Bottom of the screen addition options are available and boom, this option they are introducing iOS 17 as well as latest iPhone like a 15. So you just simply click here in the check-in and look at this here. Here the specific address by default is coming around 10:05. I am checking on this particular address. You can edit these options also, like here some of the editing options are available. Add time, like add 15 minute, add 13 minute. You can add whatever you want, like a remove extra 1 hour. Those informations are available. Estimate travel time like a 20 minute, public transportation and walking time. You can change this address also. If you want change this address, you can just type here Copenhagen airport. I just simply type here and done. So look at this, from my current location to this specific like a Copenhagen airport or one of the hotel accommodation of your. So the timing is showing here three different options. One is a driving, second public transportation, and by walk. Check-in date is a full. When are notified to send, like this options also they are introducing this here. If you say done and just send it to them, someone are click around this option. Okay, if he is not reaching there, we have also some times, so accordingly manage both people and reach around the specific time. So this is the beauty of latest iPhone as well as iOS 17 version.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.